So let me start by asking you, is it very hard to make crores and crores of rupees in stock market? And if your answer is yes, and I can tell you, you are 200% wrong. The most easiest platform or most easiest way to make money in the world is the stock market. And if the compounding works, or if the compounding kicks in, you can make crores and crores of rupees in the stock market. You don't have to deploy advanced strategies. You don't have to deploy complex strategies, complex adjustment. Nothing you have to do. It is very as simple as that. But all you have to do is you have to give them some time. You have to allow the compounding to kick in. But the hard reality is we are behind furus, or we are behind so much of social media, unethical screenshot, big fat profit. We forget that we forget the reality. That is what is happening. And I can tell you, social media is so much unethical. There is a guy from Bangalore. He is into CPR and so on, so forth. What he did is he posted a tweet in his Twitter handle, where he has bought 1,000 quantities banknifty. He has shown his order book, but at the time he posted, the maximum he can place in one order is 900. How can you place 1,000 quantity? When people started asking him, when people started trolling him, he immediately deleted, and he vanished somewhere, right? He vanished into thin air. So this is how people are. We are behind fat profit. We are behind unethical things. We think big money is going to help you, but I can assure you, you have to live time. You have to give some time for compounding to kick in, so that your money, let's say you are starting with 20 lakhs, and you can maybe down the line from 20 lakhs, you can go to 23 lakhs or 20 lakhs to 23 crores or 25 crores. Who knows? But the compounding interest has to work. Now you may ask one question, Umar, cut the crap and just give us the strategies, right? I'll tell you, you don't have to deploy complex strategies, or you don't have to do complex things in order to make money in the market. Now, how much money you have to make, right? Now, if I tell you, you people will laugh at me. All you have to do is you have to just make 2% money in the stock market, or 2% money in the option trading per month, right? Do you think making 2% money in stock market is a big deal, right? No. It is not a big deal at all. Now, that's what I am saying. We are behind fat profit. We are behind 8%. You will tell, if I tell you just make 2% a month, you will tell what is a big deal. There are people who are making 8%, 10%, 12%, 20%, 200%, right? What is the deal in 2%? If you think these people who are making 200% or 100% or even 20% or 10%, I am not sure if they are ethical, or I am not sure what they are doing. But I can you imagine, let me put it this way, if a guy is making 20% or 15% or 10% a month, and if you calculate the compounding, down the line, maybe 10 years or 15 years, his 1 crore or let's say 10 lakh will be around how much? 50 crores or 60 crores, right? But still these people are talking about same screenshot. In fact, when I come to MTM screenshot, there are lots of things happening around. Even Sensible has come out with verified screen, that and this. So that's a whole different ball game. We'll talk about that things in another video. Now I'll tell you a very, very simple strategy. See, I'll tell you again, making 2% is not a big deal at all. Even if you do an iron condor in banknifty or nifty, you will make 2% monthly. All you have to do is, you don't have to touch that fund. You have to let it grow in a way that as time passes, this will explode like anything. Let's say Nifty, I'm doing an iron condor. See, this is not the strategy, or I'm not selling. This should be the strategy. There might be many strategies. I know people who do ratio spread. They buy at the money call option one lot and they sell maybe 220 strikes away or 25 strike away, 15 or 20 or 30 lots to compensate that buy. And if the market moves slightly higher and here and there, they will make money in the at the money call or put option, and out of the money will expire worthless. So it is not about strategy whether you are doing an iron condor or whether you are doing a short straddle or whether you are doing a ratio spread. All you have to do is make sure you make just 2% every month. Now what I did, I did a very, very simple iron condor strategy. Market is at 18,500. Let's assume market is at 18,500. I've gone 1,000 points away. 18,400 to 19,700. I have gone sold 19,700 call option. On the downside, 17,700 call option, 10 lots, and simultaneously I have bought hedges, that is 20,000 call option and 17,400 put option. Now, do you think Bank Nifty, the question is, do you think Bank Nifty is going to move 1,000 points or 800 points in a month? You tell me, you go to the chart and check the chart and let me know which month. You let me know on the comment section below which month it has gone or it has moved more than 1,000 points, right? Maybe hardly 1 month or 2 months. See, emotion is different. Your mindset about the market is different. If you think every time it is going to fall, every time it is going to be in profit, that is not going to happen. You tell me any month, which month, let's say hypothetically, even if let's say it goes 1 month or 2 months, you are not going to sit simply, right? One way or other, you are going to do some adjustment, or you are going to square off this iron condor and do one more iron condor, right? So in a year, this year 2020, Bank Nifty has never moved more than 1,000 points. You do an iron condor and you are okay, but you have to do it in the start of the month. You start with the iron condor in the first day of every month and you wait till expiry. It will be, I am sure you will make around 2 to 2.5% in just 1 month. Now this has a 80% probability. This strategy has a 80% probability. I'm not saying you have to, I'm saying it again, you don't have to do this strategy. It could be many strategies, many other strategies as per your risk appetite. All you have to do is you have to let the compounding to kick in, so that at end of the day you make good money in the stock market. But that's what the hard reality is. We are behind fat profit. Do you think Warren Buffett, the chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, you think he goes to his office every day 9 o'clock, waits till the pre-market is done, he opens his terminal, he sees the MTM losses every day? He doesn't do that, right? He is one of the world's biggest option sellers, making billions of rupees in option selling, all because of long term. He knows how to compound the money. That is how he has made so much of money, maybe $150 billion worth, right? He is worth more than $150 billion as of today, as of now. So this is how compounding works. You just deploy a strategy, make 2% a month. And I'll show you one more thing. I went to Google and I searched for compound interest calculator, and this is what Google suggested me. I had an initial capital of around 20 lakhs, 24% return, 20 years. Your 20 lakhs will turn out to be around 23 crores, 17 lakhs, 77,470 rupees and 31 paisa. All you have to do is, as I told, you have to let this compounding work. Initial stages it might not grow, but after you have done 15 years, you have a goal of 20 years. After you have crossed 10 years, maybe this fund will burst exponentially and you will make enough money, right? So this is not a big rocket science, or this is not a big thing about compounding. I just want to pass to you what I feel. This is how we have made, and all these things are done excluding your collateral. Now if you are trading in options, you are not going to trade with liquid cash, right? you are going to go for collateral. On top of this 23%, maybe 7% or 8% or 6% or 5% you are going to get collateral from Bharat Bond or GSEC or T-bill whatsoever. That will also compound, this will also compound, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, do subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.